Tired of manually uploading videos to YouTube? I'm here to show you how to automate that process using Zapier, saving you tons of time and effort. First, you will need a Zapier account. If you don't already have one, head over to Zapier.com and sign up for a free trial. This will let you test out the automation process. Once you are logged in, click on the Create Zap button. This will begin the process of setting up your automated workflow. Next, you will choose a trigger app. This is the app that will start the automation. Let's say you save all of your videos in a Google Drive folder. Search for and select Google Drive as your trigger app. Now, choose your trigger event, select New File in Folder. This will tell Zapier to watch for new videos added to a specific folder in your Google Drive. You will need to connect your Google Drive account to Zapier. Click on the Connect button and follow the prompts to grant Zapier access to your Google Drive. Choose the specific folder in Google Drive where you will be saving your videos. This is the folder Zapier will be monitoring for new videos. Click on the Test Trigger button to make sure that Zapier can successfully connect to your Google Drive and detect new files. If the test is successful, you are ready to move on. Now, it is time to set up the action step. This is what Zapier will do when a new video is detected. Search for and select YouTube as your action app. Choose the action event as Upload Video. This tells Zapier that the action you want to perform is to upload a video to your YouTube channel. You will now need to connect your YouTube account to Zapier. Click on the Connect button and follow the prompts to grant Zapier access to your YouTube account. Now configure the YouTube upload settings. This includes the video title, description, tags, privacy settings, category, and other important details. You can dynamically populate these fields using data from your Google Drive file. Click on the Test Action button to send a test video to your YouTube channel. Make sure everything is configured correctly before turning on the Zap. Finally, turn your Zap on. From now on, every video you add to your designated Google Drive folder will automatically be uploaded to YouTube. Congratulations, you have just automated your YouTube uploads with Zapier.